I have an old HP Pavilion. I think I've had this thing for easily more than 10 years. It's probably close to 15 years old. Anyway, it's a P6000 Series. As you can see, it's actually a P6204Y model. Anyway, lately it has been freezing up on its own multiple times throughout the day. It started doing it once, and then it just got worse and worse and worse. And what I found causing this problem for it to freeze up, and when I say freeze up, it wouldn't react to my mouse or my keyboard. It would just lock up. What I found is I ended up finding out some capacitors on my motherboard actually went bad. I had two 1800 mic caps. As you can see, they have gone bad. From what I can see, the motherboard actually has 4 of them, so I went ahead and replaced all 4. So I have down in my basement, or in my garage, I have a desoldering station. I would not recommend doing this if you didn't have a desoldering station. But this unit has several of those caps. There's one here. This one was actually blown. There's one here. This one wasn't blown. Another one here. That one wasn't blown. And then there's a 4th one right there. And that one was blown. So I had 2 out of the 4 blown. And I went ahead and replaced those. And since I've replaced those 4 caps on this motherboard, this Asus IPIBL-LB motherboard, I haven't had any problems. So I just wanted to pass that on to everybody. Hopefully this will, if anybody's else having issues, they may be willing to tackle this problem. Again, I strongly suggest you need a desoldering station to do this, to remove those caps. Even with a desoldering station, you have to be very careful not to damage the motherboard itself. Anyway, hope this helps somebody.